Imagine a country where decisions aren't made by politicians, lobbyists, or bureaucrats, but by artificial intelligence. From healthcare and education to law enforcement and economic planning, AI runs every aspect of society. No corruption, no inefficiency, no human error. Or so it seems. This isn't a distant dream. It's happening right now. Nations, corporations, and tech billionaires are racing to create the world's first AI-governed country, and the stakes have never been higher. The concept of an AI-run country sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Yet, today, some of the world's most advanced governments and private tech entities are quietly experimenting with AI to manage national-scale decisions. The promise is tantalizing. Faster decision-making, predictive governance, and the ability to optimize resources in ways humans could never achieve. But the risks are just as great. Loss of privacy, mass surveillance, and ethical dilemmas that humanity may not be ready to handle. In this video, we're taking you inside the secretive race to build the world's first AI country. We'll explore who's leading the charge, what technologies are being deployed, and what it could mean for the future of governance itself. 1. The vision of an AI country. An AI country isn't just a nation with smart technologies, it's a country where artificial intelligence actively governs. That means AI in policymaking. Algorithms analyze data from every sector, healthcare, finance, infrastructure, to make decisions that would traditionally take months of human deliberation. Automated law enforcement, predictive policing, and AI-based courts could theoretically reduce crime and eliminate biases. Optimized resource allocation. AI determines where to invest, where to build infrastructure, and how to manage energy, water, and other essential resources. Supporters claim AI governance could eliminate human inefficiency, corruption, and political gridlock. But critics warn that handing ultimate authority to machines could lead to unprecedented ethical and social consequences. 2. Who is leading the race? While no country has fully implemented AI governance, several nations and private entities are actively testing AI-driven systems at a large scale. United Arab Emirates. The UAE has launched the AI Ministry and implemented AI in government services, healthcare, and urban planning. China. With its social credit system and massive AI surveillance infrastructure, China is exploring AI for governance and public administration on an unprecedented scale. Tech billionaires and private ventures. Some wealthy tech entrepreneurs are envisioning entirely new digital nations where AI sets the rules and manages citizens' lives through blockchain-based systems. The competition isn't just national, it's global. Whoever masters AI governance first could set a standard for the rest of the world, shaping policies, trade, and even military strategy. 3. How AI would govern a country. The technology behind an AI country is mind-boggling. These systems would rely on massive data collection. Every citizen's activity, behavior, and social interactions would be tracked in real time. Machine learning algorithms. These AI models would continuously learn from data to predict outcomes and recommend policies. Predictive analytics. AI could foresee economic downturns, resource shortages, or health crises before they happen. Autonomous decision-making. In theory, AI could implement policies without human intervention, ensuring efficiency and consistency. Imagine a healthcare system that predicts disease outbreaks days before they occur, or a traffic system that eliminates congestion entirely. On the surface, it sounds ideal, but the very same technology could be used to control every aspect of citizens' lives. 4. The ethical dilemma. The rise of AI governance raises critical ethical questions: privacy versus efficiency. An AI country relies on extensive surveillance and data collection. At what point does efficiency come at the cost of freedom? Algorithmic bias. Even AI can inherit biases from the data it's trained on, potentially magnifying inequalities. Decision accountability. If an AI makes a catastrophic mistake, who is responsible? The programmers, the government, or the machine itself? Freedom versus control. Citizens may trade personal freedoms for the promise of a perfectly efficient society, but at what cost? Philosophers, ethicists, and AI researchers warn that building a country governed by AI could be humanity's most radical experiment yet. One wrong move could have consequences for millions of lives. 5. Current experiments and pilots. Several real-world initiatives provide a glimpse of what an AI country could look like. Smart cities. Cities like Singapore and Dubai are using AI to manage traffic, energy, and public services. These initiatives are essentially mini AI countries in their functionality. Predictive governance models. Some governments are running simulations where AI proposes budgets, healthcare policies, and educational reforms. Blockchain AI nations. Private ventures are experimenting with decentralized digital nations where citizens interact with AI governance systems for voting, taxation, and social services. While none of these examples fully qualify as an AI country yet, they highlight the trajectory toward nations increasingly reliant on artificial intelligence. 6. The global stakes. The race for the first AI country isn't just about technology, it's about power. Whoever succeeds could control international policy standards through AI-influenced models, attract investment and talent by promising highly efficient governance, gain a military and intelligence advantage through predictive systems and automation. The stakes are high, and the competition is fierce. This isn't just a technological race, it's a geopolitical one. 7. The future vision. Experts predict that within the next decade, hybrid models will emerge, countries where AI assists human governance rather than replacing it entirely. But the line between assistance and control will blur. Some speculate that the first fully AI-run nation could emerge as a sandbox experiment, either on a small island, a special economic zone, or a blockchain-based digital nation. Success could redefine governance forever, while failure could serve as a warning about the dangers of unchecked AI power. The race to build the world's first AI country is no longer science fiction. It's happening now, quietly, and at an unprecedented scale. Nations, tech giants, and billionaires are pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, promising efficiency, precision, and a new era of governance. But with this promise comes enormous risk. Privacy, freedom, ethics, and accountability all hang in the balance. The first AI country will not just test the limits of technology, it will test the limits of humanity itself. The question isn't if AI will govern, but who and how far we are willing to let it go.